Here's the truth. Plaque isn't just cholesterol, it's inflammation. It's your body's immune system reacting to oxidized cholesterol trapped in the artery walls. Your white blood cells try to clean it up, but sometimes they get stuck. That's why plaque grows and why arteries become hard and dangerous over time. If you want to reverse it, you have to understand how it forms, how it grows, and what actually triggers it. This is where most standard advice fails. Low-fat diets, statins, even extreme exercise may slow some damage, but they don't activate the mechanisms your body needs to heal itself. They don't reverse the disease. To do that, you need to understand a process called reverse cholesterol transport. This is how your body actually pulls cholesterol out of your artery walls. And the meal I'm about to describe isn't just a salad or some trendy health food. Every ingredient activates a pathway. Every compound triggers a cellular response that works directly on the mechanisms causing plaque. Here's how it happens. Your arteries have a lining called the endothelium. When it's healthy, it's smooth, flexible, and produces nitric oxide, a gas that keeps vessels dilated and prevents blood cells from sticking. But if it's damaged by high blood pressure, diabetes, smoking, or chronic inflammation, it stops producing nitric oxide. The lining becomes sticky. LDL cholesterol slips in, gets trapped, and oxidizes. Once oxidized, your immune system sees it as a threat, sending white blood cells called monocytes to clean it up. These cells transform into macrophages, engulf the oxidized cholesterol, but then often get overloaded. They become foam cells, fat-filled and inflamed. They die, spilling their contents, which triggers more immune response and more plaque growth. This is why arteries narrow, but more importantly, it's why plaque ruptures. The rupture exposes the contents to your bloodstream, triggering clots that can cause heart attacks, strokes, or even gangrene in the legs. And here's the shocking part. The plaques that rupture aren't always the biggest. Sometimes smaller plaques, only 40 or 50% blocked, are the most dangerous because they're unstable and inflamed. Standard cardiology focuses on blockages, stress tests, and stents. But a stent doesn't remove the disease. It only opens the artery. The plaque is still there, inflamed and dangerous, waiting to rupture. So if you're over 50 and worried about your heart health, you need a different approach. Not just lowering cholesterol with statins, not just walking or dieting, but activating your body's own mechanisms to pull cholesterol out of foam cells, stabilize inflammation, and prevent calcium from turning arteries into bone. And the good news? This is possible with food. Specific, natural compounds in the right combination can activate reverse cholesterol transport, restore HDL function, and even start to reverse calcification. Stay with me because by the end of this series, you'll know exactly how this works, why most advice fails, and the precise daily meal protocol that targets plaque at the cellular level. If you've been following along, you now know why plaque forms and why it's not just about cholesterol. But here's the key. Your body actually has the tools to heal itself, and it's never too late to start. Even if you've had high blood pressure or borderline cholesterol for decades, you can still activate these processes and make real improvements. One of the biggest misconceptions is that HDL, or good cholesterol, automatically protects you. The truth is, it only works if it's functioning properly. Chronic inflammation, sugar spikes, stress, and certain medications can actually make HDL dysfunctional. That means it stops removing cholesterol from your arteries and might even contribute to plaque buildup. So the goal isn't just raising HDL, it's restoring its function. And yes, there are natural ways to do that every single day. Before we dive into the foods and compounds that do this, I want to mention one lifestyle factor most people overlook: meal timing. What you eat is important, but when you eat, it can either boost or blunt the plaque reversing process. For instance, a high antioxidant, anti-inflammatory breakfast within the first hour of waking triggers enzyme activity that pulls cholesterol from arterial walls more effectively. waiting too long, or eating a carb-heavy, processed meal first thing actually suppresses this process. Simple adjustments like this can make a huge difference over weeks, not just months. Now let's talk about the ingredients. Certain compounds have been shown to directly stabilize plaques, reduce inflammation, and even improve nitric oxide production in the arteries. Think compounds like polyphenols, flavonoids, and natural nitrates. These aren't exotic or expensive supplements. They're found in foods most of us can access, but the key is combining them in the right amounts. For example, pairing leafy greens with certain fruits can amplify their effect. Adding a bit of healthy fat like avocado or olive oil helps your body absorb the compounds better. It's all about synergy, not single miracle foods. And here's a practical tip I give all my patients. Consistency beats perfection. You don't have to eat perfectly every day, but doing this protocol most days, week after week, starts to activate repair mechanisms that modern medicine often overlooks. Even small improvements in artery flexibility and endothelial function can reduce your risk of heart attack or stroke dramatically. If you're following this series, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss part 3. In the next section, I'll break down the exact daily protocol, meal by meal, that targets plaque and supports HDL function. I'll also explain a few surprising foods that people over 50 often avoid, but shouldn't, because they actually help reverse arterial damage. Remember, this isn't theory. These mechanisms have been studied for decades in clinical research, and when applied correctly, they produce measurable improvements in arterial health. Your goal isn't just surviving, it's thriving. And your arteries don't care about your age. They respond to what you do today. So stay with me. If you've ever felt like it's too late to make a difference, I promise you, it isn't. The next steps are practical, evidence-based, and designed specifically for people over 50 who want real results. If you've been following along, by now you understand that reversing arterial plaque isn't about luck. It's about smart, consistent choices. And the best part? You don't need prescription drugs or fancy gadgets to get started. What I'm about to share is simple, actionable, and designed specifically for men and women over 50. Let's talk about the daily protocol. The first thing to remember is that your body responds best to steady, small doses of the right nutrients. Think of it like watering a plant. You wouldn't drown it once a month and expect it to thrive. You give it a little water consistently. Your arteries work the same way. Each day, by choosing specific foods, beverages, and timing your meals, you activate repair processes that have been dormant for years. Start your day with a high antioxidant, anti-inflammatory breakfast. This isn't about low-calorie or bland meals. It's about function. Berries, leafy greens, and healthy fats like olive oil or nuts trigger enzyme activity that helps pull cholesterol from arterial walls. Pair this with a small portion of protein, like eggs or fish, and you're setting up your body for hours of efficient plaque reduction. Skipping breakfast or opting for sugary cereals essentially tells your arteries to pause the repair process. Next, hydration is more than just water. Certain natural compounds in green tea or herbal infusions can improve endothelial function, which is the lining of your arteries. Think of it as oiling the hinges. You make your arteries more flexible and able to handle daily stress without damage. Even small improvements here significantly reduce strain on your heart over time. And don't underestimate the power of movement. You don't need marathon-level exercise. Gentle daily activity, especially morning walks or light resistance movements, enhances blood flow and helps your body deliver nutrients where they're needed most. This also improves nitric oxide levels, which relax arteries and further supports plaque reversal. Now, here's a common mistake. Many people over 50 avoid certain foods thinking they're bad for their heart. The truth is, some of these foods, when prepared properly, can actually be protective. Foods like certain seeds, fermented vegetables, or even moderate portions of dark chocolate contain compounds that reduce inflammation and improve HDL functionality. The key is balance and timing, not restriction. If you're following along, make sure you stay subscribed because Part 4 will cover a few surprising hacks that amplify all of these effects. These aren't gimmicks. They're backed by research and tailored for people over 50 who want to feel stronger, more energetic, and in control of their heart health. Remember, the results aren't instant, but they are consistent. Day by day, week by week, your arteries adapt. You start to notice small improvements in energy, endurance, and overall vitality. That's how your body communicates. Little wins add up to life-changing changes. So, stick with me. In the next section, we'll go deeper, and I'll share the final steps to turn this protocol into a lifestyle that actually works for you, without stress, without deprivation, and without expensive treatments. You've made it to the final part, and this is where it all comes together. By now, you've learned that reversing plaque, improving arterial flexibility, and boosting overall circulation isn't about quick fixes. It's about consistent, daily habits that actually work for men and women over 50. Let's start with the evening routine. Many people focus on mornings, but the truth is, your body does a lot of repair while you sleep. This means the meals and habits you follow in the evening are just as important as breakfast. Try to include vegetables that are rich in magnesium and potassium, like spinach, broccoli, or zucchini. These minerals relax blood vessels and support healthy blood pressure. Pair them with a light protein source, fish, poultry, or plant-based alternatives, and avoid heavy carbs late at night, which can spike inflammation and slow repair processes. Another secret most people overlook is stress management. High cortisol levels don't just affect mood, they constrict your arteries, making plaque more damaging. Simple breathing exercises, gentle stretching, or even 10 minutes of meditation before bed can dramatically improve arterial health. Think of it as giving your arteries a nightly tune-up. Over time, these small adjustments reduce strain on your heart and improve overall vitality. Sleep itself is a powerful ally. Many over 50 individuals underestimate how much arterial health depends on quality rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep and keep your room cool, dark, and free of distractions. When your body enters deep sleep stages, it increases nitric oxide production, supports cellular repair, and allows your arteries to relax fully. Now, let's talk about a few bonus hacks. First, certain spices like turmeric, garlic, and ginger have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Including them in daily meals helps reduce plaque buildup naturally. Second, intermittent movement throughout the day, standing up, stretching, or a short walk keeps blood flowing and prevents stagnation, which is critical for anyone over 50. And finally, maintain consistent hydration. Water isn't just a thirst quencher, it's the medium for nutrient delivery and waste removal. Even mild dehydration can make arteries stiffer and less efficient. Here's the big picture. None of this requires expensive treatments or pills. It's about giving your body exactly what it needs in a way that works with your natural rhythms. By combining morning nutrition, steady movement, stress management, and restorative sleep, you create a system that actively reverses damage and protects your heart. Remember, it's not instant, but it's real, measurable, and life-changing if you stick with it. Start small, stay consistent, and notice how energy, stamina, and overall vitality improve week by week. So take action today. Adjust one meal, add a short walk, practice a breathing exercise tonight, and watch how your body responds. Your arteries are resilient. They just need the right signals. Follow this routine, stay patient, and over time, you'll feel stronger, healthier, and more confident than you have in years. Thank you for joining me through this series. Stick with these habits, and you'll be amazed at how much better life can feel after 50.